Okay, so during this Aaron's 2000 store celebration, I'm pre-approved to lease up to $2,000 in merchandise without needing credit.
Yep.
So this bedroom group, I could get this.
Absolutely.
And Mom, we still have enough room to get this TV.
Yeah, he's right. You really are pre-approved for up to $2,000 in merchandise.
Told you, Mom.
So leasing it means that down the road, if our financing
Dam break imminent. This is a flash flood emergency. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a flash flood warning for McLean County until 8:30 p.m. At 12:30 p.m., dam operators in the Lake Bloomington Dam reported an unusual amount of flash flooding in the Lake Bloomington Dam. Rapid downstream flash flooding is expected as water levels surge. A structural failure or dam break is expected in minutes. This is a flash flood emergency for areas downstream of the Lake Bloomington Dam due to a dam break. Seek higher ground now. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bloomington, Hudson, Towanda, Normal, Leroy, and Lexington, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 228, Interstate 55 between mile markers 160 to 167, Interstate 74 between mile markers 128 to 135. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
With Expedia Rewards, I now earn points however I travel.
Here's your hot towel, sir.
Oh, thanks. Even if I can't always fly the same airline.
Careful, it's very hot.
Or stay at the same hotel. Because now, with Expedia Rewards, I earn points for any flight and any hotel, too.
I've been known to do a little bit of skiing, so maybe.
Rewards any way I travel. Except naked. What a shame. Expedia.com.
The GCBs invite you to the